Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, my name is Jason and I do unboxings. In this video we are going to do an unboxing of a mystery bag from Ipsy. So if that's something that you would like to see, then keep watching. Okay, so let's get into this bag. This is a mystery bag from Ipsy for January. I believe it was a $14 bag. I will put in the description below when I double check when I'm not filming on my phone. So let's go ahead. It comes in their pink mailer like this, like most of their other things do. And when we pull it out, this mystery bag comes in this neat little white bag, and it's got this cool little plastic chain so that you can carry your bag with you. I think that's kind of fun. This says hit refresh and it's like in Braille. I don't know if you can see that too well. And then on the back in silver it says Ipsy, but I really do like the little chain. It's kind of fun. So before we look inside the bag, they did have an item outside the bag. So we've got a Luxie brush and in blue. So this is the brush that was outside the bag. And again, I'm not really familiar with different brushes. This one, I believe, let's see what this says on it. Pro Precision Tapered. 640. So if that means anything to you, great. All I know is that it's a tapered brush, so I still don't know what I would use this for, but it is very soft. And I know that Luxie is a good brand for brushes, so not mad about that. So that's the first item. Then let's go ahead and open up the bag. And let's just pull out the items. First item I'm going to pull out is from the Balm, and this is, this is a blush, Will Powder blush. And let's see what the blush looks like. How do you open? Do you come out of the thing? Oh. Yeah, you got to take it out of the package here. Now, I don't, come on. There it comes. I don't think I'm gonna swatch this just because I don't use blushes, although it's not a bad color. It's on the, let's see here if you can see, if I cover it in the back. Come on, open up. There we go. So that is the color. It's not a bad color. It's kind of like a mauve pink. It's got a nice little shimmer to it. Again, I don't use a lot of brushes, so I'm not going to swatch it. I will probably put this in a future giveaway. Speaking of giveaways, I do have a giveaway going right now for a kind of Pokemon themed beauty bag that I got from No Make No Life. I will link that video down below. So look for that video, watch that video. Let's go ahead and pull the next thing out. And this is from Estate. This is Precision Liquid Liner, Felt Tip Eyeliner. And let's see what color it is. Does it say? There's no color on the outside. I do already have some liners. I don't use liner much, actually at all right now. If I do use eyeshadow, I'm not really using eyeliner with it. So this might also go into a future giveaway. And come on. Oh, excuse me. There we go. Okay, so when you finally get it out of the box, it's in a little container like this. And yeah, so it's just a little felt. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and hold on to this. So it's very, very wet. I might give it a try. I'm not opposed to liner. Because I'm blind, it's hard enough for me to put the eyeshadow on. So to get a precision line with an eyeliner is nearly impossible. So that's really the only reason I don't tend to use eyeliners. Then we have that. So that is item number 3. Then let's see what the last 2 items we have. And this is from Hey Honey, and it's Good Morning Honey Silk Face Serum, all day nourishing. It's for all skin types. It's in a little container like this. The container is not even filled all the way. I don't know how well you are gonna be able to see this on camera, but you can see like it's all air here, all in the middle. So I know it's a sample, but okay, it's got a safety seal in it, so I'm not gonna take the safety seal off, but all right. Last but not least, we have, this is Preventative Measures 101 After Hours Lip Balm with Moisture Release Technology and Passion Fruit. I do like lip balms and chapsticks and things. I actually have some on right now. My lips are really chapped. Let's go ahead and see. Oops. Smells good. Goes on pretty silky, but I don't know if that's because I already have the other lip balm going on or what, but give it a try and see. I can always use these. These are good things to have for me. All right, and then on the inside of the bag, it's blue, like a powder or baby blue inside, and it's got the Ipsy patch right inside there. So, I probably won't hold on to this bag. It'll probably go in a future giveaway, even though I think this is great to have this little carrying. I don't carry these around with me much, so it's not gonna really do me any good, but maybe it'll do one of you good. So, all right, that is the mystery box. And that, I think, will actually do it for this video. Again, I believe this was a $14 mystery gift bag from Ipsy. So let me know what you thought in the comments below, and that'll be all. Thank everybody for watching. Like the video if you will. That would be super, super, super kind of you. And I hope everybody's staying happy and healthy, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.